Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the background generator in Canva. It's going to be a very easy tutorial. What I'm going to first do is click on social media, and the size we're going to pick is YouTube thumbnail. Of course, you can pick any size for your design, okay? Next, I want you to go ahead and bring in the image you want to change the background for. So I'll just go ahead and drag and drop this right here. And then let's go ahead and resize. So I'll leave it at this edge and then drag it from this corner. Okay, and make sure you're holding shift so you can maintain the aspect ratio as well while you're at this. Okay, next I want you to go ahead and click on that image and then click on edit right here. We can close this, and then under Magic Studio we have different apps. Okay, they're AI tools. So what we're going to do is click on the BG generator. So there we go. We can describe the background, or we can ask it to, inspire us. So we'll go ahead and generate this, and let's see what it comes up with. By the way, guys, this is a pro tool for Canva. You can actually, open up a new Gmail and use Canva for free for 30 days. I'm currently on the 30-day free trial. So let's see what Canva comes up with. Okay, so as you can see, it is doing some generation. We have different backgrounds. Now these look really nice, and you can pick the best one applicable. Okay, whatever you think is the best one. I think, this one looks the most natural. So what I'll do, I'll come here at the top right, click on share, and this is how you save it, okay?